Global supply chain issues and shortages make private label product sourcing a challenge, unless you use 3B Private Label Portal. Our online tool links you with private label manufacturers all over the world. Thanks to our professional search and matchmaking, we target and connect you to manufacturers that specialize in your unique product requirements. What is the process for our customers? It starts when you give us your product requirements. Our sales and marketing teams search for and contact manufacturers that match your specifications and connect you to the manufacturer that can fulfill your product requirements. Want to expedite the matchmaking process or source products with very particular requirements? Our lead promotion option could be just what you need. It includes dedicated campaigns on LinkedIn ads, display ads on the Google Search Network, our newsletter, and listing on our marketplace. So you can rest assured in the knowledge that your lead will reach a large number of potential manufacturing partners. By using 3B Private Label Portal, you have everything to gain, from opportunities to source your private label products from and building lasting partnerships with manufacturers around the world, to an increase in revenues and customer loyalty with your line of private label products, and so much more besides. Get in touch with us today or fill out our online form. 3B Private Label Portal, the global matchmaker for private label.